So I picked up a deal maybe on a Mini X. All I've got here is a pump to drive. Motor and stuff's bad in it. No way to hook the two together. Let's see if I can adapt something in here. This is the bad motor in some parts, but it's missing anything that might drive that coupler. Get this motor I'm going to try to put in it. 3-cylinder turbo in place of the 4. There's what I got to drive it with. You can see the bolts on the floor come through. If you can believe it, the bolts in that flywheel are 3/8. This bell housing was off of the generator, so I made a bolt to the aluminum plate. It's going to be my back motor mount, and I found a $40 hub, right spline. Just got to make an aluminum piece to join them together. It might go in. I'll see. Going to use this to connect the flywheel to the pump. Machine the hub on there. On the other side, I found a countersink. This is a perfect liner upper tool.